Welcome back to our channel. The internet is getting smarter, but so are cyber threats. Have you protected your accounts and personal data? In this video, I'll share 5 must-have cybersecurity tools in 2025 to help you stay safe from hackers, malware, and other online threats. Don't let your data get exposed. Let's get started. 1. Use the best VPN, NordVPN, ExpressVPN, Molvad. Why do you need it? Hides your IP address, encrypts your browsing data, protects you on public Wi-Fi top picks. ExpressVPN, fast, secure, and reliable. Molvad, total privacy, no logs. NordVPN, best balance of speed and security. Never browse the internet without protection, especially on public networks. 2. Password Manager. Why do you need it? Securely stores all your passwords, helps generate strong passwords, prevents hackers from stealing your accounts. Never use the same password for multiple accounts. That's a big mistake. 3. Antivirus and anti-malware. Why do you need it? Protects against viruses and malware. Detects threats in real time, prevents ransomware attacks. Best options: Malwarebytes, Kaspersky, Windows Defender. 4. Use a secure browser. Why do you need it? Blocks ads and trackers automatically. Boosts your online privacy. Prevents websites from fingerprinting you. 5. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Why do you need it? Protects your accounts even if passwords are leaked. Adds an extra layer of security. Works on all devices. Never log into an account without 2FA, or you could lose access anytime. So, there you have it. 5 essential cybersecurity tools you need in 2025. Are you using any of these tools, or do you have a favorite cybersecurity tool? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help more people stay safe online. See you in the next video. Stay safe.